Imagine just brushing away acne and getting smooth skin instantly. Sounds amazing, right? Today I'll show you exactly how to do it fast and easy. Let's get started. First, make 2 copies of the background layer by pressing Ctrl and J twice. Hide the top layer for now. Right click on the first copy and convert it to a smart object. Go to the filter menu, noise and median. Set the value where the acne begins to blur and fade. For this picture, that's about 45 pixels. Now create a solid color adjustment layer. Set hue and saturation to 0% and brightness to 50%. Right click to the layer and convert it to a smart object so you can edit it later if needed. Change the blending mode from normal to overlay. Go back to the filter, noise and add noise. Set it to 8% and make sure uniform and monochromatic are checked. Now go to the filter menu, blur and Gaussian blur. Set the blur to 1 pixels. Unhide the top layer, right click and convert it to a smart object. Now change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Go to the filter menu, other and high pass. Gradually increase the value to bring back some natural skin texture. Select all 3 layers and press Ctrl and G to group them. Double click the group to open blending options. In the underlying layer section, hold Alt and drag the right slider to the left to hide the effects in highlights. Do the same with the left slider to hide the effects in shadows. Now add a layer mask to the group. Press Ctrl and I to invert the mask. Select the brush tool. Set the flow to 9% and make sure the foreground color is white. Now gently paint over the areas with acne or uneven skin. You will see the skin smoothing effect in real time. And there you have it. This is one of the best tricks for flawless skin retouching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.